Welcome, in front of me I have Realme 8i from the European distribution, and I will show you how to install tempered glass on the display in this smartphone. So at first, when you take a look on the screen, you can find here the default foil. You can remove this foil or you can stay with it. You can decide. I'm going to improve protection of my display and I'm going to apply tempered glass on this foil. And we have to get two things. The good lighting condition, as you can see, we can spot a lot of fingerprints and greasy marks on the screen, and also quiet place that no one will distract us. So right now, let's put the phone right here. Open box with our tempered glass, where we can find two wipes, wet and the dry, and also our glass. At first, we are going to use the wet wipe. Right now, you have to make moves in the circle like that. You have to remember to reach a very corner and edge. And as you can see, after these few moves, we easily get rid of all of these fingerprints from our screen. So right now we have to remove these wet marks from the screen, and to make it we have to use this dry wipe. So just do the same. Okay, and right now our screen looks really good, and we have to grab the tempered glass. So we have to remove this sticker, this one. Grab like that, and there we go. It follows with that foil that is attached under the glass. So put that foil back. And right now we have to be sure that there is no any piece of the dust on the screen. In my case, everything is fine, so I can start with applying glass. You have to keep holding the bottom part like that and put the glass. Start applying glass from upper section of the screen. You have to remember that we have to put the glass evenly on the both edges. Keep holding the bottom part still. Okay, and right now it's fine in my case, so I put it correctly. So right now I have to press with one finger here, and then I have to put the bottom part, just like that. And take a look, it goes automatically. We can press with our fingers to remove the rest of the air. And we can also remove all of these marks that you can see right here by pressing with our fingernail or with our wipe. Take a look. When you press, it will disappear, as you can see. So we have to make it for the whole screen. So let me just do this right now. Okay, so as you can see, we easily get rid of all of these marks. A few of them are still here, like for example here, but they will disappear after a few days. And right now we can turn on our screen. So let me just turn on the phone. And you will see that there is no any problem with the touch interaction. So honestly, you don't have to be afraid of applying glass on your phone. And this model, let me just zoom out a little bit. You can also put here the glass. Okay, and there it is. As you can see, we finally turn on our device, and there is no any problem with the touch interaction. So that's how we can apply tempered glass on Realme 8i. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.